absolutely marvelous condo community built just 5 years ago. These homes are in historic Old Town Portsmouth and are designed to maintain Old Town charm with a mixture of modern amenities and touches. This is shown through the variety of exposed brick walls and original hardwood flooring, from the historic building to the modern kitchens with J-profile appliances and ceramic bathrooms with modern vanities. This is an extremely rare find in this part of downtown. Your home includes secure building entrances as well as reserved parking. An amenity in this setting as rare and wonderful as the homes themselves. Walk to work at Portsmouth Naval Hospital or ride your bike to the base. Exit your front door and you're immediately in front of restaurants and shops and in the heart of Old Town. The utmost care was taken to provide a truly outstanding home for you to enjoy. Don't miss your chance to own one of these marvelous homes.